Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Helium. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. We've started 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen altcoins pumping to the upside in 2023. Helium has been one of those altcoins that have pumped in 2023, going up more than 47% since when the rally started. Guys, what's next for Helium in this relief rally? Are we going to continue pumping to the upside, or as we have hit major resistance around the $3.4 region, is that the end of the relief rally for Helium? Are we going to go and set new all-time lows? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Helium US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be taking a look at Helium's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Helium's market cap, which currently sits around $380 million. We've seen Helium's market cap drop to as low as $200 million in this bear market. Are we coming back to double test the $200 million region, or are we just cooling off before we continue pumping to higher prices? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Altcoins started 2023 on a bright note. Altcoins started pumping to the upside in 2023, which is a very huge improvement from the dump to gobbling town we saw in 2022. Helium is still down 89.6% on a yearly time frame. On a weekly time frame and also on a daily time frame, Helium is down bad, but on a monthly time frame, Helium is up 47.5%. So is it the end of the relief rally for Helium? Are we gearing up to continue dumping down to gobbling town? We saw Helium dump from an all-time high of $52 where it got to in November 2021. By November 2022, Helium had dumped gobbling town, losing more than 90% of its value. Helium had gone down around 97.1%. But that's normal for all coins in the bear market. We should expect this with all coins to dump to gobbling town in the bear market. We have seen this happen over 1 million times in the cryptocurrency market. But right now, Helium is having a huge bounce off that low. Helium has gone from as low as $1.52. It has even pumped to as high as $3.3. But Helium has hit resistance at that $3.3 million region. Are we going to start dumping to gobbling town? Guys, we're just seeing what we have seen in the bull market happen in reverse. In the bull market, Helium went from $0.26, rallying up to an all-time high of $52, which meant Helium went up around 19,000%. $1,000 invested in Helium when it was launched would have returned more than $196,000 by November 2021. Right now, Helium is doing the reverse of what we saw in the bull market, and Helium has been dumping to gobbling town. Even though we're dumping to gobbling town, we've had some rallies along the way. We had this rally that went up around 80%. We had another rally that came out in September 2022. This rally just went up around 66%. But this current relief rally we're having in the start of 2023 has seen Helium go up more than 123%. So are we going to go back to attack that $3.3 region and continue pumping to higher prices? Or is it the end of the rally that we'll see it come back to $1.5, or maybe worst case scenario, Helium dropping to as low as $0.73 level in this bear market? If Helium is dropping that low in this bear market from the all-time high, it will mean Helium will still be down around 98% from its all-time high, which is very normal for all coins. Why I like all coins is that even though they can dump to gobbling town in the bear market, when the bull market comes around, you see them pumping to the moon, just like we saw Helium pumping in the previous bull market. And if you're holding Helium for the long haul, if you believe we'll see this altcoin set new all-time highs in the future, and you're still accumulating more deep in the crypto bear market, guys, if you believe Helium will set new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, if you're still accumulating some Helium right now deep in the crypto bear market, you want to be careful with altcoins, guys. Altcoins are very volatile. You don't want to go all in when buying those altcoins. You want to dollar cost average into your position. So because you think the bottom is in for Helium doesn't mean Helium will not continue dumping to gobbling town. The fact that you're buying some Helium right now, anticipating it to pump to higher prices by the end of the next bull run, doesn't mean Helium will stop dumping to gobbling town. We will need Helium to blast above the $5.4 level for us to know that maybe, just maybe, the chances of the bottom being in is very high. But guys, right now, everything is on the table. Helium can still continue dumping to gobbling town. If you take a look at Helium's performance in the last 1 month, we're seeing it rallying up 47%. But remember, with all coins, all these gains can be wiped away in just one candle. So if you're dollar cost averaging to these altcoins, you want to keep some capital on the side so that if you get those lower prices, you will still have some ammunition to buy some, getting ready for the next bull run. But right now, guys, we're still deep in the bear market. Right now, Helium is still trying to find this bottom, and maybe just maybe the bottom is not in for Helium, because if you take a look at Helium's performance in the last 1 month, it has gone from as low as $1.49 to as high as $3.42, and Helium has a market cap of $380 million. A fully diluted market cap of $618 million. Helium has a maximum supply of 223 million coins. Out of those 223 million coins, more than 137 million Helium coins are in circulation. Currently ranked 93 on coin market cap, we have over 325,000 people that have Helium on their watch list. While you want to get some Helium for yourself in the bear market, why should we expect Helium to pump to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run? Helium is a decentralized blockchain-powered network for Internet of Things devices. Launched in 2019, the Helium mainnet allowed low-powered wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across its network of nodes. Where can you buy some Helium for yourself if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? If you believe Helium will pump to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, you can get some Helium on Binance, on KuCoin, on OKX, on Gate.io, on Bybit, on BitGet, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Helium's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, Helium has been dumping to gobbling town in the bear market, but we've noticed that against Bitcoin and Ethereum, Helium is still dumping aggressively. Helium gains so much value against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bull market. In the bull market, we saw Helium outperforming Bitcoin by more than 2,500%. It meant one Bitcoin invested in Helium on the 4th of January 2021 would have returned more than 25 Bitcoins by January 2022. But anything that goes up very, very quickly has a high chance of coming down very, very quickly. And that's exactly what we've seen for Helium in the bear market. We've seen Helium lose more than 91% of its value against Bitcoin. If we hit resistance and this is the end of the relief rally, we may just see Helium continue dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin or moving sideways for the rest of the year. We're in the second phase of the crypto bear market. This is a phase where you should be accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. If you take a look at Helium's performance against Ethereum, Helium has dropped to new all-time lows against Ethereum in this bear market, and we might still continue dumping low. Guys, if we see the whole market dumping into gobbling town, if we see Bitcoin and Ethereum going back to the lows we set in this bear market, we might see Helium setting new all-time lows both against Bitcoin and Ethereum in this bear market. If you take a look at Helium's market cap, we've rallied back up to the $379 million region. Helium's market cap dropped to as low as $201 million in this bear market. That was a crucial support level for Helium. We have seen Helium's market cap rally back up to the $432 million region, and we got a bounce off that level in September 2022. Right now, we've gotten rejected off that level. So it's either we come back to the $200 million region to test that support. If it doesn't hold, we might continue dumping to gobbling town, or we'll go back to test the $432 million region, trying to blast to higher prices. If we continue blasting to higher prices, we might still face some resistance when we get to that $811 million region. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What's next for Helium in this relief rally? Do you think the rally is over? Are we going to start seeing Helium dumping to gobbling town? If the rally is not over and continue pumping to higher prices, how high do you see Helium going before the end of this relief rally? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Always remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
7.